Hello students, welcome to NeoTeach. Today I want to discuss operators topic. This is the new topic, and from here some programming part is going to be start. So what do you mean by operators? Operators especially used to perform the mathematical operations. Generally like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, such a things. So example, if we are going to do some like sum addition, like sum is equals to a plus b. In this example, sum and a and b, these three are called as operands. Terminology I am explaining here. These are called as operands. Means operands also called as a variables. Okay. Now this is equal symbol means assignment operator, assignment symbol and plus, both are operators. And what is the operation then? Here performing some addition, so that addition is called as operation. So by this example, operands are nothing but they are performed by operator on some operation. Like this we can take one definition. And operation means operation can be performed by an operator on some operands, like that also we can define. And operator can perform some operation, or means an operation on some operands. Like this, by this example we can define operands, operation and operator, like that. So when we talk about this categorization of operators, so depends on the number of operands, they are classified into three categories. They are the first, number one, unary operators. That unary means what? Unique means one. Unary means one. So those operators perform by using only single operand, that is called as unary operator. Okay, example, incrementation of a incrementation. Like here, see what we are using here. Simply we are using only one operand. This is a. Okay. Next, binary operators. Binary operators means binary, by in the sense two. So an operator which requires two operands to perform. Okay, minimum requirement, minimum sufficient condition. To do that operator we need minimum. Suppose example, a plus b. Sir, here can we do many numbers also addition? Yes, but minimum to do addition, minimum we require two quantities. So for that reason we can say they are called as binary operators. And next one is called as ternary. Ternary means three operands. So that requires three operands. Like see, ternary operator is also called as a conditional operator. Here I am giving example. I will explain more about this on next slide. So this is just simply see maximum we are going to find here. This is the expression 1. In this expression we are taking decision. If this condition satisfied, then expression 2 is going to be execute, means A select as a max or else B select as a max. Like this, expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. Three expressions we are using. That's what this is called as ternary operator. And next, types of operators. They are the categorization of operators like unary, binary, ternary. Now types depend. See here, based on the nature of operation, operators are classified into 8 types. What are they? So let me check. Number 1, let me list out. First one is arithmetic operators. Second is relational operators. And next one is logical operators and assignment operators. Next, increment and decrement operators and conditional operators and bitwise operators and special type of operators. Like this, 8 types of operators are available in C language. So now we are going to pick one by one. So first let me explain arithmetic operators, then we are going to write programs on that, and then after relational and writing the programs by using them, like that 1 to 1 1 1. So one after one we will discuss in detail. Now the first one, arithmetic operators. See, arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. We know that because arithmetic in the sense mathematical, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. and these are also known as binary because to do them we required minimum two quantities. That's what they require, two operands to perform. That's what we can say binary operators also. Means these arithmetic operators comes under the category of binary operators. Now we will list out them. Like see, following are the arithmetic operators. The first operator and its meaning, and one example for that we will list out that. The first one is addition. Meaning means addition only, and example a plus b. Next subtraction, a minus b, and multiplication, it is a into b, and division, next a divided by b, modular, here modular like this. See, the basic wise we know this, but what is the main thing here? Simply last two I will explain. See here, suppose 13 divided by 2 is equals to how much, and 13 divided by modular by 2, how much? The difference between the division and modular. Let me check here. So 13 divided by 2, so that's what see I am writing here, 13 divided by 2. So like 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. What is the remainder? 1. Okay, so from this calculation, when we ask like see 13 divided by 2, in that case this quotient is the answer. So 6 is the answer for this. Okay, now next, when we ask for like modular, the remainder is the answer. Remainder is the answer, like 13 modular by 2 means modular operator give you a remainder and division will give you quotient. So this is the difference between the division and modular. Okay, and now, so by using this we will write one program. See, write a program to demonstrate arithmetic programs, means arithmetic operators. For this I want to use like, let me open this Dev C++, click on that and go to file, click on the new and take the source file. Here I want to write the documentation section, write a program to demonstrate arithmetic operators. So documentation completed. Now link section. What is link section? See, providing the link hash include stdio.h. Okay, so link section also completed. Standard input and output header file included here. Now int main, I am writing just main function here. Inside the main function, see what my intention here, like we are going to perform arithmetic operators. To do that we require two quantities. That's what integer type a comma b I am declaring here. So this is the declaration part, integer a comma b. Then after you can write this printf function inside this. Printf function inside this, ask to enter a comma b values. Enter a comma b values. Then it transfer to new line. Then see, we will get output like enter a comma b values. Then we will read them by using scanf function. So the first value is numeric, second also integer type numeric. So we require percentile d 1 per 1 basis, comma, first value place it into address of a, second value place it into address of b, like reading of a comma b values done. Now, so let me write printf function. Inside the printf function I want to perform summation, like, or addition, add I want to write. Addition is equals to percentile d, new line. This value is like a plus b value, means this operation is going to perform here and will be formatted in the place of percentile d, right? Next, after that another printf for the subtraction. Here also I will write subtraction is equals to percentile d, new line, and here a minus b I want to perform. And next one is in the same way, printf function inside that multiplication, that is equals to percentile d, backslash n for the next line, and here a into b. Then after this another printf function for the division, div division is equals to percentile d, new line, and a divided by b also writing here. Next one is printf function. This is for the modular. That modular is equals to percentile d. So this is the last statement. So new line not required. A modular by b. So like this I am writing. Now see, I want to save this program. Go to file and save it. Go to like arith.c. That I am saving that. I am resaving again. Right, save, done. Now let me compile this. See, compilation. There is no errors and no warnings. Errors 0, warnings 0. And next, after that compilation. See, let me compile after running. See, compilation done, and right now running the program. So I am running this program. So once I run this program, here see enter a comma b values. I got output like this. I want to give 5, enter 3, means a value 5 and b value 3 it will takes. Okay, now see, finally addition 8, subtraction 2, multiplication 15, division 1, modular 2. So for the given values 5 comma 3, we got the output statement like this. Okay, so like this we can simply run the programs in a Dev C++. Right. So after this program we will go for the next one. Next one is a relational operator, second one. Basically relational operators are used to obtain the relationship between two operands. These are also known as binary operators because minimum 2 operands we are using, that's what binary operators. So let me list out that. First one is operator and meaning, next example. So then after see first one comparison, like these relational also we can say comparison. First one is equal to, like we are comparing LHS is equals to RHS, means left hand side quantity is equals to the right hand side or not. So next not equal, so exclamatory is equals to or less than or greater than, both the symbols collectively not equal. So is not equal to, and less than is less than, and greater than less than or equals to, a less than or equals to b is the example. Greater than means a greater than b, and greater than or equals to. So like greater than or equals to also we can write like a greater than or equals to b. Okay, so especially in the conditions whenever we want to take the decision making purpose, there mostly we use these relational operators. So how we will use, let me give one example. So for this, let me give one example. I will go to Dev C++ and I will take one more new. Right. So comparison operator I want to show, like see, write a program to print your name. Print your name. Write a program to print your name. Given number of times. Given number of times. Okay, suppose if you give 10, then 10 times your name will be prints. Like if you give 5, the 5 times it will be print like that. So hash include, this is the link section as we know, stdio.h. Okay, now let me give integer main function. Inside the main function, what are the variables I require? I want to define here, see, integer, I want n is what, like given number. I want to give one number as an input. and my counting starts from 1, so I want one more variable. It counts like assigned by 1 because I want to print 10 times, it starts from 1. Okay, I want to print 5 times, it starts from 1. So like this I am taking. Now I will generate one output statement which is going to be ask you to enter how many times you want to print your name. Okay, see, I am not giving here new line, so the control will be remains in the same line. Let me show that example. And scanf function, here you can read that value %d. This value you can keep it into address of n, so reading of n value is done through the keyboard. Okay, so now you don't know while, I think, because this is the beginning of the C. I will explain more about this while, but let me give one example and while loop. I less than or equals to, see, I want to show here how we are using this comparison operators, means relational operators. See here, I am obtaining a relationship between I and n. Okay, so till this condition satisfy, this while is going to be repeatedly execute. So iteration. Now see, in this looping I want to write this printf function. Inside this printf function, neoteach I want to print here, neoteach. After printing this new line, okay, new line or tab space, anything is okay. So I want to give tab space as of now, and okay. Now after this I increase. See what happening here simply what happening here like I value takes 1. First of all, it asks you to enter the value. Suppose you given 5, the 5 value comes here and store into n. I already we taken 1, so 1 less than 5, it's true. When this is true, it prints neoteach. Okay, so after that, see, I value become 2 because already 1 is there, I value it 2. So before going to quit from this while, it is going to make sure whether condition once again satisfy or not. So 2 is less than 5, again true. So again it executes this and it become 3. Again 3 goes to check the condition, 3 less than 5 true. Again it prints, it become 4, and 4 also goes to check condition. See, 4 less than or equal to 5 also true, again prints 4th time. Now it become 5. 5 equals to 5 also true, 5th time also it prints, it becomes 6. Now 6 less than or equals to 5, condition fail. When the condition fail, it quit from this loop. Okay, so let me save this, go to file, click on save, name print .c I am giving here. I want to compile this first. See, compilation result, 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now let me run this program. See, when I run the program, enter how many times you want to print your name, it came. So I want to print 5 times. Press enter. See, neoteach, 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 and neoteach, neoteach. 5 times got printed. Again I am running the program and giving like 30 times. See, 30 times got printed like this. So this is the example how we are using simply this relational operators. Okay, and now mostly 2 operators I covered in this session, so I will cover more about operators in the next session. Thank you.